Program number 18. Write a program to swap two numbers using a third variable. Which variable? Third variable. So how many numbers we will swap it? Two numbers. So how many inputs is required? Two numbers. Okay. So take first two numbers as an input. A equal to int input enter first number. Now b equal to int input enter second number. Two numbers we have taken as an input. Then what we need? Take a third variable to swap them. So third variable, suppose if I have taken, now I am taking C. C equal to, what will I do in the first number? Just I will copy, and where will I keep? In the C variable. So C equal to A. Okay, I just copied. Now what will I do? A equal to B means second value I am copying where? In the A. Okay, so in the A I copied second value, means second numbers. I just keep it. Now which value we have taken? So B value, now we can change it. Okay, so B value already I copied here in the first number where it is C. So C we will call it. Then we can interchange. Okay, swap means what? Interchange the two numbers. Right? So now call to the print command. Then swap of two numbers. Swap of two numbers equal to A comma B. Let's check the output. Enter first number 76. Enter second number 89. Let's change. First number 89, second number 76. Clear? So how we change? First copy to the first numbers and keep it with the third variable. Then second what you will do? In the now first number you can change it, because this first numbers you already copied that data. Okay, so now what we can do it in the first numbers, now we can change the value. So other values, now B's value already I have copied, in the second values I already copied, so that's why in the B's value now I can change it. So that is why B equal to C, that means first numbers we can do it. So like this you can swap the two numbers using a third number.